The first step in the process, and this is the most important step, is to make sure your part that you want to dip is clean, degreased, and free of any debris. Use the supplied scuff pad if necessary. Once your part is dry, the next step is to apply the supplied CPO primer. Make sure this is performed in a well-ventilated area and to wear the supplied face mask. Coat the entire part completely and allow it to dry. Once the primer has had a chance to dry for between 1 and 2 hours, the next step is to apply the base color supplied. This is camo tan, and this is the base color that makes the camo film the correct color once it's applied to the part. Again, apply this in a well-ventilated area and use the face mask supplied. Coat the part completely, allow 1 to 2 hours to dry, and then you must dip the part within 24 hours. To begin the process of cutting your film, you're going to want to roll the film out. The film will be marked with this side up. Take your object and place it in an appropriate spot so that the film can encompass the whole object. You're going to take basic masking tape. While the film is still on the roll, this is the easiest way to do this. Take your masking tape and mask off the area that you want to use. Once you've got your masking tape covered, you can use a razor blade. I'd use a pair of scissors and just cut along your masking tape. Once your film is cut out, you want to make some relief cuts. You're going to cut on the corners as well as right in the middle on the sides. After you put the activator on, the film tends to expand, and this helps the expansion. And that's it. This film is ready to go to the water. The next step in the process is going to be to place the film on top of the water. The best technique is to grab it by the corners and slowly place it on the water and then let it even its way out in order to get rid of all the air bubbles. Once you have it floating on the water, you're going to let it sit there and hydrate for about 50 seconds. Once the film's had a chance to hydrate, you're going to take the activator, which is supplied in the kit, and you're going to spray a nice even coat across the film. You'll notice that the tape is starting to come apart. This will take about 20 seconds. Now at a 30 to 40 degree angle, take the part and slowly begin to dip it in the film. Slow and steady is the key here. Once the part is submerged, work it under the water for a few seconds just to remove any excess film. And there it is, covered. Next step is to wash it off. Next, just wash the part for about 3 minutes or until it is completely dull and has no shine. If it has shine, continue washing. After about 3 minutes of washing, you'll see that the surface is dull. If it's shiny, put it back under the water for a little bit. If not, set her off to the side and let it dry. Once you've washed off all the activator and your part has had a chance to dry completely, the next step is to apply the final stage, which is the top coat satin clear coat. You'll want to apply this in a well-ventilated area. As you can see, this kit turns out a wonderful product. We're excited to have you try it out. Just go to easydipkits.com to order yours today.